Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Apple Tech Review. Today we are back with a new gadget. This is a smartwatch. It's called X8. They come in series X8, X9 and X10. So let's go ahead and we unbox this. We say whether it is true that it comes with an external battery and charger plus wireless charging, also line of data. That is also, it works as a USB to charge your phone, also to charge these AirPods. So let's go ahead and we do unboxing, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is what is found in the box. We have a wireless charger, we have charger here, we have stripes, we have the watch itself. Yeah, as you can see, it looks so beautiful. Then we have, this is the USB, it's type C to lightning. Then we have the AirPods here. Okay, so let's go ahead and we remove these things, then we shall do another video about how you can use them. So this is the strip. As you can see, it's a silicone strip, soft. So this is the wireless charger for the watch. This is the watch. As you can see, it has the speaker and it has also the microphone this side. It has two home button and this roll button. Then this is the charger. As you can see, this is it. This is for the AirPods. You can use it like this. You can also charge your iPhone as well. Then this side we have, this is the wireless charger for your iPhone. If you have iPhone 8 and above, it charges also the power bank as well. So this is the power bank, as you can see. This is the power bank. It's a wireless power bank. Let's check whether it has some battery. I have my iPhone here. As you can see, it has some battery, it charges. These are the AirPods, guys, that comes with your watch. You see the AirPods Pro. However, these are not the original ones, like the ones that we know for Apple. So guys, this watch is so cheap. It goes around $50. So if you want, you can go for this X8. Also X9 is good and X10 is good as well. So guys, I will do a review about how you can use all these things in the next video. So make sure you subscribe and you click on like button. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.